Ready to transform your ride and turn heads every time you hit the road? Today, we're taking a look at the 15 coolest car gadgets you can get on Amazon. These aren't just fun, they make your car smarter, safer, and a whole lot more impressive. If anything catches your eye, all the product links are waiting for you right in the description. Let's get started. Glow Shift Turbo Boost Gauge. This high-performance gauge monitors turbo boost pressure up to 60 psi, ensuring your engine runs at optimal levels and preventing overboost damage. It features a sleek black face, magnified tinted lens, and an illuminated red needle that sweeps 270 degrees for maximum accuracy. With 7-color LED backlighting options and a dimmer setting, you can match it to your dash or create a custom look. Mechanical installation hardware included for universal fit. Kika Jet Fan Max Vacuum/Blower. A 2-in-1 portable powerhouse for interior detailing. It vacuums dirt and crumbs with strong suction and can also blast air at extremely high speeds, up to 92 meters per second, to clear away debris. Perfect for keeping the cabin spotless and impressing at car meets. 70mm 810 4K dash cam. Record-stunning 4K video quality, even at night, thanks to enhanced night vision and AI-driven motion detection. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make footage transfer and location tracking seamless. This dash cam brings cinematic safety and style to every drive. Bouncy or Spytech Mini GPS Tracker. Compact, discreet tracker you can hide anywhere in your car for real-time location monitoring. It sends geofence and impact alerts straight to your phone, ideal for security, road trips, or when lending out your car. Wireless CarPlay AI Box. Plug-and-play adapter converts your car's regular CarPlay system to wireless, plus unlock streaming options like Netflix and YouTube. It works with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping your dashboard free of cords and fully upgraded for entertainment. Emergency LED flares. Ultra-bright, rechargeable LED flares designed for roadside safety at night. Visible from hundreds of yards away, they last up to 18 hours per charge and magnetically attach where needed, providing dramatic safety and style in emergencies. Modern rear-view hanging ornaments. Dashboard figurines and mirror charms created for a masculine, minimalist vibe. Available in metals or sleek matte finishes, they add personality and a unique touch to your vehicle's cabin. Wide-angle panoramic rear-view mirror. A 12-inch or wider convex rear-view mirror, designed to dramatically expand your field of vision and bring race car styling to everyday driving. Perfect for safer lane changes and reversing. Electric tire pump with OLED display. A portable compressor with a digital OLED display, multi-mode inflation, and built-in flashlight. Fast, convenient, and easy to operate. Great for emergencies or road trips. Wireless mobile charger with magnetic mount. Mount this on your dashboard or air vent for fast wireless phone charging. Its magnetic mechanism keeps your phone secure, while LED accents offer visibility and style, especially for nighttime use. Custom-fit all-weather car mats. Tailored, waterproof mats made for your vehicle's exact model, with anti-slip features and tough construction. Protects your interior from mud, spills, and debris, while adding a refined, clean look. Rugged tactical seat covers. Heavy-duty covers made from water-resistant materials. Some feature camo designs or mall pouches for extra storage, perfect for off-roaders and anyone wanting a tough, adventure-ready look. Smart rear trunk organizer with USB charging ports. Multi-compartment organizer that keeps gear tidy in your trunk. Integrated USB ports allow for device charging while on the go, combining practical utility with tech convenience. LED Angel Eyes Headlight Retrofit Kit. Upgrades your headlights with color-changing LED halo rings. These kits provide a head-turning custom look at night, with options for multiple colors and lighting patterns, making any car stand out.